So me and Eli today, we got the transmission back in. We took the car for a little test drive. And guys, let me tell you, the new turbo housing we changed. So this is a fighter jet housing now that Precision makes. Bro, shit sounds amazing. So in the transmission we did F and F, straight cut synchros, 1-4. Had Reynaldo put it together for me. And we got it in, drove the car. How'd it feel, Eli?
Shit's slow, bro.
Alright.
When are you gonna turn it up?
So we gotta turn it up now. We gotta give it some boost. So the car does have a Dakota box to fix the miles per hour up there on the cluster. So we calibrated that. We got that running, and so far it's good. So now we just gotta calibrate the Cortex, the boost by gear, and then we give it some boost and see what she does. So now we're just gonna put the car inside, use the rack, make sure everything's aligned up front with the steering rack, make sure the steering wheel's straight and the car drives straight. But yeah. Alright, so we just got finished aligning the car. So now we're gonna take it for a test drive and make sure everything is good and it drives straight. Wow. These guys over here are vlogging Lisa's new headlights that he got for his Type R. So these are OEM with his Lisa's clear reflectors, right?
Yeah, Lisa's clear reflectors.
Lisandro's. So what's your website?
Named Lisandro.
Named Lisandro. For OEM clear reflectors on your OEM headlights. A replacement, you know, because JDM, right? Obviously, we knew that was going to happen with straight codes. Alright guys, so now that all that is done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put extended studs. I got these from ARP. So I'm gonna do extended studs front and back all around. And yeah. Alright guys, so we got a surprise guest today. Can you guys guess who it is? We got Alexis here. It is nice. Okay guys, so Alexis just got his car back. Ray finished putting everything together for him. So Alexis has is a Remy Racing short block for a 9 K24 Z7 with head swap. Alexis, so what do you think about your car now?
It gets me to work.
Said it gets him to work. Pop the hood.
It looks like a stock Civic.
The bay is super clean.
I should have got the race control badge.
Oh.
I never hit him up for it.
You also,
Why?
To change the housing.
I mean, you're not gonna be covered now. It's been that long.
Yeah, but no.
how much power does it make?
Right now it makes 668, 510 torque.
Who tuned it?
Hobby.
Oh, Hobby. Hobby tune. 668. How much torque?
510
510
torque.
torque, guys. How many pounds of boost? 20 pounds in force? That's it. That's good.
Which is crazy because the whole center of the fucking it's like go away.
So Alexis is scared of his car, so we're gonna have Ray drive it. He's a builder. He's a man behind this car. Literally. You can do whatever. You can be third or whatever. You can do a U-turn up there. God damn. Hey guys. Alright guys, so we're at Import Expo. It's over now. But the Civic took home best 9th gen. So we did get an award today. Alright, so we're here at Hector's shop. We're here at Hector's shop. We're doing the extended studs all around on the Civic, the ARP studs. We already took this side out. We're gonna replace all the bearings in the front and in the rear. We don't really have to, but took them out and we're gonna push them into over there. Alright, so we got all the studs done. Alright, so since we're all done with all the studs, I have oil, so we're gonna just do an oil change real quick. So get rid of the old oil, throw some brand new pen grade 2050. Alright, so the Civic is down again, guys. The fuel pump stopped working. I tried wiring it directly and it's not turning on at all. Check the fuse, check the relays, nothing's working. So we called John's Towing. he told me from the airport at Orlando, he's gonna tow me all the way to the shop, and I'm gonna diagnose the car. We'll check the fuel pump. I'm sure it's a fuel pump, so I'm probably gonna replace it. But yeah, we were on the way to Takaka Honda for the cars and coffee this morning.
Of course, the car breaks down in the worst spot on the fucking departures for the airport.
So yeah, I was taking my sister to the airport and my mom dropped them off, and then we're gonna go to Cars and Coffee. And saying bye to them, car just shuts off. I'm like, what the fuck? So I go turn it on. I don't hear the fuel pump kick on. So I'm like, oh, maybe a fuse or a relay. None of that. So the Civic was just dead at the airport. Alrighty, so we got the Civic back on the lift, and I took the fuel pump out, disconnected it, took the lines off the tank. I did contact Magna Fuel. They do rebuilding services, so I'm gonna send the fuel pump out because it stopped working, and I guess that's what was clogging the whole fuel system and everything. So I'm gonna send it out, and they're gonna refurbish it and send me it back. Hopefully in the next week or 2 weeks. But I'm gonna send it out. So stay tuned.